Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how I can fix EAFC24 cards not found error. So first off, if you're going to open your Chrome or internet browser and go to answers.ea.com, then you'll find the same issue here and you'll find all the replies and answers, and now you can fix this issue. And one of those is by restarting your Steam app. So you just have to restart your Steam app, or you just have to uninstall and reinstall your EAFC24. Now, if the problem persists, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Now, if you don't have that stable internet connection, your Wi Fi, you can basically use your mobile data. Now, if the problem persists, the last option that you can do, you can basically go to FC24 support, go to support or help.ea.com, and you'll find here some of the topics, and you can basically ask the support to fix the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.